So a little background on who your yeller is tonight. I'm yelling because I want to make sure everybody can hear me. You are my tribe. I've done this my entire life. I worked in a juice bar, health food store when I had a head full of hair. And then I went and built North American herb and spice. How many of you use the oil of oregano in the little blue bottle, right? The cure is in the cupboard. I did that with Dr. Ingram for 10 years. And then I was recruited from there to go to Nordic Naturals, where I was the director of education for the largest fish oil company in the world. Now, that doesn't necessarily make me a world-class expert on phytocannabinoids, but it makes me an expert on health food stores and FDA and DSHEA and all of the rigmarole that's needed to keep the freedom, in our opinion, the freedom and access to natural medicine open and available. And I came to join this company about 4 years ago. Here's a picture of our new office. We were founded in 2012. 50 employees now, 52 employees. We have 2 different divisions. One are the consumer products that I'll talk about tonight. We also have an FDA division where we're using cannabidiol as the active ingredient to go after smokeless tobacco addiction. And we've met already with the FDA, and we've got a great relationship moving forward. We're also a publicly traded company. So for those of you that ever worked in publicly traded companies before, I want you to kind of imagine how crazy it is to start a publicly traded cannabis company over the last few years and what that was like. That makes the FDA look like nothing when you're trying to pull this off. And we're doing very, very well because we're delivering on the promise.